Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to set up this laptop without Microsoft account. So first of all, do not connect to the network, Wi-Fi network, Ethernet network. You have to, if you are already connected to the network, you can either shut down the router that you're connected to, or if you don't have the access to the router, then you can simply leave the area to the place where your Wi-Fi signal is unreachable, and then continue the process. So first thing you have to do is use a combination of Shift and F10 keys. I'm gonna show it to you. So the Shift button and the F10 button, press them both at the same time, and if this doesn't do nothing for you, then you have to use, first of all, you have to use Fn and Escape button combination to unlock your function keys, and then press Shift and F10 buttons again. Okay, let me place it real quick. Okay, and once you press Shift and F10 buttons, select this CMD window, and in this CMD window, what we'll have to do is input the command, which is, let me bring it closer to you. OOB / bypass and arrow. So WOOBE / bypass and RO. And then once you enter this command, press enter and wait until your device is restarted. And after your device restarts, let's get through the setup process. So first of all, select the right country or region, then click yes. In this second window, select the right keyboard layout for your device. I'm gonna go with the default one, click yes. And if you want to add a second keyboard layout, click add layout. If you don't, just skip. Then select I don't have internet button right here, tap on it. Then you can name your device, for example, and press enter or next to continue. Then you can enter the password, but you don't have to. I'm not gonna do this, but if you want to, you can enter the password and confirm it in the second window, and then press next. After that, select privacy settings for your device. I usually go with location and find my device features, because location feature allows me to check the weather and the local news and directions, and find my device feature is used for locating your device in case it's lost or stolen, and the other ones like diagnostic data, inking and typing, and advertising ID, I usually switch them to no. But you can check each of the, you can check each of these settings for yourself and decide which ones you want to use. But generally speaking, all of these privacy settings are used for collecting your data for diagnostic purposes. So that's basically it. Okay, let's go with accept. Okay, now let's wait a while. And after a couple of minutes, the setup will be complete, as you can see. So that's basically all for this video. Thank you for watching it, and if you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.